Hey guys, welcome back. In the previous video we have seen how to install a VirtualBox, and today I'll show you how to set up a VirtualBox for the initial setup, and the same settings can be used for almost all the operating systems which you will be installing on your local laptop or server. So if you click on File, there is an option called Preference. Okay. So and there are a lot of other options as well. And sometimes when you open up your VirtualBox, you see a warning coming up stating that there is a new version of VirtualBox available. Would you like to download? So every now and then you can click on this option, and you see this. You are already running the most current version of VirtualBox, meaning there are no updates available. And sometimes after you install your operating system, right, so things might not work properly for you, because we are running virtual machine inside our laptops, and the console will not work properly. You won't be able to type properly, and to overcome those things, just like when you install your operating system, you install drivers, right? The older operating system you have seen, so the mouse doesn't work properly, the displays, the icons are larger. So to overcome that, we usually install drivers in the same way. So after you install your VirtualBox, you need to install some additional packages basically. So that package is called as extensions, and you can see I do not have any packages installed. So I will go to internet, I'll search for those extensions and then download and then use them here. Okay, so let's go back to the browser. See here, within the same thing, you have this, within the same website that I have shown you, you have this VM VirtualBox extension package. Just click on it. It should download the package for you, and it is downloaded. You can go back to your VirtualBox, File, Preference, Extensions, and click on it, and you can go to the location where you have installed it, where you have downloaded. So here is the VirtualBox extension package. Open. So it will ask you install. Click on I agree. So it is installed successfully, and you see this package coming up here. And input keyboard. So you don't have to do anything here on the keyboard as well. And updates, you check for once every day. So you better make it like 2 weeks, so that it will look for every 2 weeks. Language in English, display, networking. Okay, so I'll probably talk about this after I install the operating system, so that it will be easy for you to understand why we are going with this networking options. I think, yeah, that's all for this video, guys. So it's all about installing the extensions package for your VirtualBox. Thank you.